this is Anthony from bsidestudios.com, and in this video I'll be going over content types and how to create our first custom one. What is a content type? Well, to keep it short, a single item of information in Drupal is referred to as a node, and a node belongs to a content type. This is your content collectively placed in a specific area. Let's add a new node by clicking Content on our administrative menu. Here, you're given a list of all the content stored on your website. Right now this is blank, so click the button named Add Content to our left and make an addition. When you first install Drupal, there are two default content types, respectively named Article and Basic Page. If I were to create, per se, an About Us page, I would choose Basic Page. I would give it a title, and I would fill out the body tag as well. Once that's done, I'll go over here to Menu Settings, provide a menu link, and by default, it already uses my title, so I'll just leave that. Let's click Save. Once you're brought to your new page, you'll notice your new page was added to your main navigation as well. So what we did was add a new node into a default content type called Basic Page. Now, what if we wanted to get a custom content type, like a blog for example? What we would need to do is head on over to our administrative menu and click on Structure. In the list, our fourth option says Content Types. Let's venture further. Here, we're presented with a list of our current content types, free to edit, delete, and add things as we please. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we're going to be setting up our own custom one. So let's click Add Content Type above the table to the left. Now we're given the option to name our new content type as well as giving it a description. So let's give it a title of Blog and a description of my first custom content type. This can be changed later if you're filling these in while following along. Now we're brought to a page displaying our fields. What are fields? Fields are a collection of form inputs for data pertaining to the content. Since this is a blog, I may want a field to upload an image, or maybe I need a field to upload a file, such as a zip, PDF, or Word doc. As you can see, there is already a body field for our new content type, as well as an assumed title field. For this tutorial, we're going to add a new field for an image. Let's click the Add Field button. Here we're presented with what field we would like to choose. So let's find and click Image. Let's give it a label of Blog Image. Now we're in the settings page for our new image field. You'll be asked to fill out a few things that already may have some information in them. By default, you can leave these settings. But if you would like, you can make an addition, such as a default image when no blog image is uploaded. A default one may be used in the emptiness. Below that, we can add additional image extensions that we would want allowed uploaded, even as far as to the directory in which these files are placed upon our web server, as well as a few other values which may pique an interest to you. For now, I'm going to leave everything default. You may pause the video and read some more about these items if you wish. After I'm satisfied with what I have, I'm going to click Save. This should conclude the setup of our blog image field. Let's add a new blog node and see how it may look. Once again, we'll go up to our administrative menu and click Content. Here, we'll choose Add Content again, but this time, we're going to choose Blog. Let's fill out the necessary fields. Once that's done, go ahead and click Save and Publish. Awesome! We've successfully added our first custom node, including an image to boot. But what about these labels here above each item? Do we need these? And how come my blog image is below the main body? Well, let's head on over back to the structure and click on Content Types once more. As you can see, our new content type is here listed under blog, like we named it. Let's go to the right, and to the drop-down box, click Manage Display. In this table, we're given the ability to manipulate the way the content is displayed on our node. Let's take a look at some of the options. We have the title of our field, the label in which it is placed above the content, and the format in which the item is displayed. Let's proceed to turn off all the labels, and then use the drag and drop feature to our left to move the blog image above the body content. Once that's accomplished, click Save and refresh our blog node. Now it looks a lot better. It just needs a few changes from CSS and it'll be good to go. Congratulations on setting up your first custom content type. Be sure to check out the additional items you can add to your new content type and try to explore your available options. This concludes understanding content types. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, and if you're interested in more tutorial videos, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and be sure to check out the bsidestudios.com blog for helpful articles and more tutorials. Have a good one.